Okay, hello, welcome to the weather update at 7:30 on July 2nd, 2021, and storminess to our north. I mean, this is what some of the clouds look like to our north today, but nothing for us. Not a drop of rain here in central Nassau County. Towering clouds. I did take some video of it. Some of these towering clouds, dark skies. Look at that. It was off to the north right there. But other than that, that's all we got. These dark skies to the north. That was it. And then this is the sky this evening. Just interesting little, what we would call a thundery sky with altocumulus castellanus clouds. They call that a thundery sky. So that means that there are thunderstorms around, and there are thunderstorms around. And they've been sitting in the same spots pretty much along the North Shore and over the Long Island Sound, over Connecticut. We just haven't gotten anything here. These storms aren't really producing a lot of lightning. I mean, I can check. They're not really, no. You got to remember, we're also on the, I still don't have service from Verizon yet. I'm waiting, I have to wait until tomorrow. They're not going until tomorrow. Ridiculous. They are, Optimum is even worse, all right? But, I'm sorry, but they should have a law saying, you know what, if your service goes out, this is, internet connectivity is, this is a utility, an essential utility, and they should be required to get it back within a certain amount of time. And it's not acceptable that it takes as long as it does. But at least we have some service. We're going to look at Ventu Sky and show you what happened with the radar today. And you can see here are the cells here. Not a lot of lightning with them. They're just heavy rain cells, pretty much have been. You can see over the north, but we just haven't really been getting anything here in central Nassau. It's just been raining in the same spots over and over and over again. So looking at the current conditions out there, and we have some flash flood watches, some severe thunderstorm warnings upstate. Still a little muggy out there, dew points in the upper 60s. Temperatures in the low 70s. I don't know, it felt a lot worse out there. I was struggling, but you can see how it's dropping out east. This is the front actually coming through right here. The cooler temperatures over here that you see out on the east end, 64, 64, 66 at Islip, 72, and it's warmer as you head into Jersey. So let's look at the precipitation amounts first. We'll start off with that, and we'll do the precipitation amounts since midnight. To get an idea, some areas have gotten a lot of rain. Actually, no, that's not too bad. 0.30 for the North Shore. Let's pull this in a little more. 0.34, 0.30. It's not too bad, actually. This is since midnight. Okay. All right. I guess it's not too bad. I thought, I guess these showers are very small, and they're not really producing all that much rain, I guess. Not even going to look at the high temperatures. We're going to skip over that because, again, limited. I don't want this being too big of an upload. Yes, Elsa is now a hurricane, and we're going to talk about Elsa now. Right now, it is already a hurricane. It is intensified to a hurricane. Originally, the forecast was saying it wasn't going to become a hurricane. This is the earliest named storm in history, by the way, and the earliest named hurricane in history for E. In other words, just keep breaking these records here. Let's go to the latest public advisory on Hurricane Elsa. Elsa is moving through the eastern Caribbean Sea. Hurricane watch issued for eastern Cuba as of 5 p.m. Location is 505 miles southeast of Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, and about 180 miles northwest of St. Vincent. Max sustained winds are 85 miles an hour, moving west at 30 miles an hour. It's moving pretty quickly. Minimum central pressure, 991 millibars at 29.27 inches. When we look at this is going to be an intensifying hurricane. When we take a look at this on the well, let's go to the cone now. Like I said, I got to make it quick because, again, I can't. So they're having this a hurricane. Hurricane warnings now in effect for the south side of Cuba, 2 p.m. Sunday. No, this isn't Cuba. Santo Domingo. This isn't Cuba. This is Dominican Republic. This is actually a hurricane warning and a hurricane watch is in effect for Cuba, and this thing's going to strengthen further. Couldn't even become a Category 2, for all we know. Especially when you look at this on the satellite. Let's get to the satellite right now because it looks pretty healthy. Here it is. It's just look at all the explosion here of convection around the center. This thing's really just gaining strength, and it's now back over the warm water, and it's going to continue to gain strength, I think. I think we could see this become possibly a Category 2. I don't think it'll go any higher than that. but it's already outdid its expectations because they were originally saying it was just not even going to become a hurricane, which I wasn't believing. I thought it was going to become a hurricane. But yeah, pretty impressive stuff. And we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And hopefully tomorrow I can talk about this for much more when I get my service back. All right? Unacceptable, Verizon. You should have had somebody here today. You shouldn't make somebody wait this long. It's completely unacceptable. This has happened last time, too. I don't know if it's just unique to my area or they're like this all over. But anyway, as far as our weather goes, we're going to again go over the weather for the next 24 hours, and that's it. Let's go northeast, and we're going to look at the HRRR 18Z and show you again the showers and thunderstorm chances. They're going to diminish later on tonight, but then again we have more showers and thunderstorms, a little more scattered in nature, popping up tomorrow. Still a chance, but it's a much smaller chance tomorrow. And then after that, we're finally done with the rain. The good news also is the dew points will be dropping as well. So that humidity is going to drop. We got those east winds. You see that here. And dew points will start dropping to the 50s by the morning and stay there with northeast winds. So it'll be much more comfortable. And it'll actually feel quite cool tomorrow as well. Let's go to the temperatures. So as we look at the temperatures, you'll see it's going to be quite cool. Only in the highs, only possibly in the mid-60s. So quite cool. Northeast wind and cloud cover because we are going to have clouds around them. I'm not even going to look at. We're going to have mostly cloudy skies tomorrow. And maybe we'll start seeing the sun on Sunday, and then we'll see temperatures get back up into the 70s. But other than that, I got to keep this weather update brief. You can thank Verizon for that again. Like the fourth time since I've been living here, and that this happened again. It's unacceptable, and it's unacceptable that they take such a long time to send somebody to fix it. Just completely unacceptable. And Optimum is even worse, trust me. So, it's just what it is. I don't know if it's unique to my area or they're like this all over. But it's unacceptable, and I think that I'm going to be filing a complaint with the Public Service Commission against Verizon because of their slow response time to repairs. It's not acceptable. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and take care.